Hello YouTube, I'm back with the highly requested Jeremiah Valeska tutorial. I thought I would wait until season 5 because the season 4 one is like taken back a bit. This one's like full on like crazy, so I thought I'd do this one. However, if you do want the season 4 one, I know I did it on my Instagram last year. I'm happy to do a tutorial for that one as well, but I thought this one is probably going to be more popular, so I decided to do it first. I also want to apologize if you can hear fan noises at the moment. It's quite a hot day. I know there was a story about Cameron Monaghan when he was filming that it was so hot that the makeup was like sort of coming off his face. Similar story right now. It is really hot and I've decided to film this for you guys wearing a wig and like long clothing, so you know, I do make sacrifices for you, so just bear in mind. I wanted to talk quickly about where my contacts are from. I get that asked a lot on Instagram. They're by a brand called Colourvue and they're really soft on your eyes. These are in zombie grey and like they're nice. You can see out of them. I reckon I could wear them for a whole day and I'd be fine. So they were just from a random costume shop, so I have no idea where you can go and purchase a pair. The wig is just from eBay as well, so it's a nice sort of green gradient, which I love. Anyway, on to the actual tutorial part of the video, and yes, that is a Jerome Valeska poster, complete with my Jerome Valeska shrine, so that really proves to you which is my favourite brother. Anyway, I'm using a white foundation. This is by Australis. It's actually designed to lighten foundations if they're too dark for you, and I find this to be way more effective than using like a white paint. So yeah, I just blend this in with my fingers. It sort of melts into my skin a lot more naturally than a brush or a sponge. I mean, I would use a beauty blender, but they're really expensive for just like a little sponge, so here we are. I applied 2 coats, so the first coat is like all over my face, and the second coat is like problem areas, I guess, so if I have any spots, under eye circles, and also just to blend in the colour to my neck, I guess, and yeah. So after that I use a Stargazer powder, and although not everything's blended in perfectly using my fingers, when I use the brush to sort of pat in the powder, it does blend it in. Noting also that today was quite a hot day, so it's not exactly sitting on my face how I would usually like it, but it is 100 times better than using a white face paint, so that's like my personal advice to you. Next I'm using 2 different eyeshadows. This first one is by Naked. Yeah, I'm using like this taupe mushroom colour, and this brush is broken. It is totally broken, the handle's gone, but it came with the palette, and I use that in my eye socket and underneath where my eyelashes are. Then I take a Nyx Blush, and it's in a red shade, like completely matte. I emulate the redness that he has around his eyes, and I take it from my inner corner to the outer corner, just with the same brush. It doesn't really matter if it's clean or not, because you want to blend the 2 colours together. For the eyebrows are like the most difficult part, so I use a gel eyeliner by Maybelline, and it's in like the black colour that they offer. And I use an eyeliner brush, and I basically show you how to create the shape. Basically, you do have to go with your natural eyebrow shape, but his are like pointed inwards in the middle, and then sort of arched in the middle. It's really hard to explain, I apologize, but hopefully you can see. Then on the lips, he's got like a purple colour going this season. So I use a Rimmel London lipstick by Kate Moss. It's in the purple shade in 04. And I find this to be like really, really good. It's like the perfect shade, and yeah. There's no particular ways to get the same lip shape. I honestly just go with my normal lip shape, but if you're an expert, by all means comment suggestions. After that I use a MAC lipstick, and it's in the shade Chili. It's sort of like a brick red, and that takes out some of like the blackness of this lipstick. Because I am pale and because I'm basically wearing white foundation, it looks very dark,
So his is more like pinkish, I guess. It's got pink undertones, red undertones even, so I try to make this less intense by just getting a dome brush and running it over my lips, and it takes out some of, I don't know, just it less intensifies it. Does that make sense? I don't know. Anyway, we're onto hair now. And as you can see, I'm really keen to wear a wig. Basically, there's no sort of method to this. I will link the wig down below if it's still available on eBay if you want to get it too. It's a really, really good wig. I didn't expect it to be this good, but I just plait my hair, as you do, and then I chuck on the wig cap that it came with. Actually, I don't think it came with this wig cap. This wig cap I actually got on eBay, or I wasn't a fan of the wig cap that came with it. I remember that. But yeah, ooh, look at that transition. Next, I'm putting on the contacts. Once again, I will list down below where I got them from, and that's pretty much it in terms of the makeup.
I will not be doing a costume of Jeremiah from season 5, but my partner Kane, I will post his little Instagram tag here, he is doing the full costume with the like metallic suit. We're both working really hard on screen accuracy. Well, not obviously screen accuracy because the costumes are like one-offs and they probably cost several thousand, and we just don't have that kind of budget. But if you'd like a video once his costume's all together, telling you guys where we got certain items from, telling you like what fabrics things are made out of, I'm happy to do one of those. But yeah, thank you so much for being amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. Hey, how's it going? Oh god. Hey, I'm Jeremiah in the season finale with my little stray hairs poking out. Oh god, I am so dreading that. What did they do to our precious baby? Also, I don't know if you guys heard, like when they were filming the episode, that Cameron was really hot and sweaty, like his makeup was dripping off. I'm getting that similar kind of vibe because today it's like 100 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and I've got, you know, a lot of clothes on, and I've got a fan, which is why my hair's looks majestic throughout this video probably. Oh god, my wig is a mess. It matches my life. I'm all Greg. Jesus Christ, I need a hobby that doesn't involve this. And is there something beeping in the background? Is it a bomb or? Alright, that's probably a good thumbnail right there.